is you, Madonna.
But Madonna's fashion restylings didn't stop there. On the 2nd of August 2000, Madonna's first video from the album Music made its premiere on VH1 and MTV.
Hey, Mr. DJ, put a record on, I wanna dance with my baby.
In the days leading up to the video debut, fans wondered what Madonna would dream up for the new millennium. The result? Ghetto fabulous Madonna style.
Music makes the people come together. Music makes the bourgeoisie and the rebel.
Here she is, like the Mac Daddy in the limo. She's the one stuffing the dollar bills in the woman's like bikini. So once again, she's taken something that's going on right now and totally made it hers and turned it around.
I love the video. The video is funny. Girls' Night Out manifesto, a hey, let's not let Puff Daddy have any fun that we can't have, and damn it, if DMX does it, it's good enough for me.
More than any other pop star, Madonna has made the small screen a vehicle to stardom. From toy boy to pimp poser, she's held control of the airwaves and her career by keeping people guessing, both on and off TV.
I must say that I do feel like I can just do whatever I want anyway. I mean, I have proven myself. I've sold over 100 million records.